In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use auto layout in Figma Slides. Auto layout is a simple but powerful way to keep your slide content neat, responsive, and consistent, especially when text changes or elements need to realign automatically. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to enable it on a text box inside a slide and why it helps. Start by heading to your Figma home screen. You can do this in the desktop app or in your browser. From your recent files or team projects, open the slides file you want to work on. Once it's open, click the specific slide you want to edit so it's visible on the canvas. This makes sure any changes you make apply to the right slide. Next, identify the text box on that slide where you want auto layout to help with spacing and alignment. Click the text box to select it. If you have multiple elements stacked closely together, make sure you're selecting the text box itself and not the entire slide or a surrounding frame. A quick way to confirm is to glance at the layer name in the sidebar and ensure it highlights the text layer. Now, right-click directly on the selected text box to open the context menu. This menu gives you quick access to layout and formatting options. From that list, choose Auto Layout. The moment you select it, Figma wraps the text box in a frame with Auto Layout turned on. This is the key step that enables dynamic spacing and alignment. You'll notice that auto layout adds structure without changing your content. If you adjust the text length, the frame will resize gracefully. If you later add icons or additional text elements inside the same frame, they'll stack and space themselves consistently. You'll also see auto layout controls appear in the right sidebar. These controls let you define the direction of the layout, the spacing between items, and the padding inside the frame. Think of it as setting the rules once so your content stays tidy as it evolves. A helpful tip: if you don't see the change right away, double check that the text box was selected before you right-clicked. That's all it takes. You've opened your Figma file, navigated to the right slide, selected the text box, right-clicked, and applied auto layout from the menu. With this in place, your slide content becomes easier to maintain and looks more professional as you edit. Practice this on a few slides so it becomes second nature and you'll save time while keeping everything perfectly aligned.